Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Jason Voorhees and Shin Godzilla as one character. So let's hop into it right now. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Shin Godzilla and Jason Voorhees as one character. So let's do it. I'm going to start with the mask area, okay? So first thing I do with the mask is I'm going to drag it out here, down. We're going to kind of place it on Shin Godzilla's head, right? It's going to be a little bit different. Curve up here at an angle. Pulling back up over here. And we're going to go over here, curve across for the mask in that area. Down over here. And then we're going to curve along the front of the mask over here and pull up. It's kind of a weird shape, but it's the top of Shin Godzilla's head for the most part. Going to go over here now, draw a circle on one side for the Jason Voorhees mask. Over here on this side. Okay. We're going to draw a straight line across the kind of forehead area down. So it's like that triangle, right? The design of the Jason mask. By the way, don't forget to say what's up in the comments or hit the like if you do like these combination videos. It really helps out. It really, really helps out when you guys hit the like. But, you know, of course, you got to like the video, though. If you don't like it, I'm sorry. Forgive me. Going to go right here. Dot, 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 dot. Dot right here. We're going to do like 6 dots in the front. Then maybe 3 over here on the side. But, we could do a couple on the forehead right here. But I don't want to fill it up with the dots, honestly, this time. Going to go here, pull back. Going to go over here to the bottom. Curve down, and now you're going to see his real mouth over here. So we're going to do like the bubbliness right around the edge of the mouth. Downward up. Downward up, downward up, downward up right there. We're drawing the teeth, the Shin Godzilla teeth. Line over here, it's kind of that inner portion of the mouth as he opens up his mouth. Curve down over here. And then over here the back of the head, down over here. Kind of all the way down, well, large part of his neck and back. For the most part. Okay. Now we're going to go over here. Out, up. Line, line, line. Kind of the lower teeth right here as well. We're just kind of zigzagging it. Almost think of it like grass or something. Right on. And then over here on the back side, we're going to have the back row of teeth over there. Line down over here. And we're going to fill in the pit of his mouth right here. I just want to fill that in. He's got this creepy, creepy mouth. I just took out a tooth there, unfortunately. Oh, well. Going to go over here underneath. Down, down, down. All right. So far, so good. All right, let's just kind of sit back, take a look at what's going on. Oh, one thing right here. There's another triangle aiming at, you know, the center there. All right. What would you call this character, by the way? The mixture of Shin Godzilla and Jason Voorhees. What would be the name of this character? I will pin the best name. Okay, put the name in there, and I will pin it. I mean it. So let me know. Wiggle down over here for the front of the neck. Curve, curve. Line down over here, line up. Line, 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 line. It's kind of that opening in Shin Godzilla's neck. Right? That's a very kind of prominent thing with him. And now, we're almost done, okay? Stick around. We're almost done. I'm going to throw the spikes on the back. Let's start with a small one, and it's literally, think of like a starfish. Bigger starfish. And now it starts to get like a mutated giant, like almost starfish. And line over here, the curve. Let's kind of keep going over here. And over here in the back. And right here, let's go down the side, zigzag right here. And what I want to do is I want to fill that jaw out a little bit better. So right here, I want to put a little bit of darkness and then just kind of zigzag it off. Right? When you're doing that, it's kind of like giving it a little bit of shadow. Right there. Curve. And now we really want the texture of the skin to come out. So this is kind of like the final part right here. Is you want to do these little curves. See these little popcorn curves? Little curves to give it a little bit of texture right there. A little bit of texture. Kind of pepper it around. You don't want to overdo it though, because if you overdo it, it's just going to look too much. You know, you just want to do it like this, right? Just like you're sprinkling pepper over something. You just want to pepper it. Maybe have it come out of this larger dark pattern. And kind of over here, along the back of the head. Maybe even underneath the mask a little. And right there. And what you want to do is over here go. Put a dark right there on the lower portion of this ninja star. Because it's going to make it a little bit more credible, a little bit more believable. It's going to look like shadow. You're just throwing these little lines, almost like a ghost line right there. Right over here. And line over here as well. Nice, right there. And you want to look at it, anything more, maybe add over here. For the most part, like I said, you're done. You just want to maybe throw in a little bit of lines right there. You just want to repair what you have left. But, like I said, write in that name. Also, what I want you to do is check out all the free goodies in the actual description. There's a lot of free stuff. There's a free how to draw a cute video. There's free just all kinds of stuff. Go check it out. There's a free Godzilla head drawing video. I haven't really advertised that lately, but go take a look at that. Check it out. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much, and I will talk to you in the next video. I want you to share this video if you liked it. Okay? Share this video if you enjoyed it, and we'll talk later. Okay? Stay for the next video right now. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.